Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles are expertly crafted to deliver top-tier performance, designed for players seeking enhanced spin, control, and consistency. Available in two variants, Halo Pro and Halo Control, these paddles cater to different play styles, offering versatility and precision on the court. Both paddles feature a premium carbon fiber surface, which enables superior spin and control. The textured surface maximizes the ability to add topspin and backspin, giving players a strategic advantage during competitive play. Underneath, the paddles are built with the innovative RevCore Power polymer core, which strikes a perfect balance between power and control, ensuring consistent shot performance and a soft touch. The Halo Pro model emphasizes power, making it an excellent choice for aggressive players who rely on fast-paced, hard-hitting shots. Meanwhile, the Halo Control is designed for finesse, offering greater precision and enhanced handling for those who prioritize accuracy over force. Both paddles are ergonomically designed with comfortable, sweat-resistant grips to reduce fatigue during extended gameplay. Their lightweight construction ensures easy maneuverability without sacrificing durability or power. These features make them suitable for intermediate to advanced players who demand high-performance equipment. In summary, the SLK Halo Pickleball paddles provide exceptional spin, power, and precision, tailored to meet the diverse needs of pickleball enthusiasts. With the Halo Pro for aggressive play and the Halo Control for precise handling, these paddles deliver versatility, durability, and high-quality performance, making them a strong choice for competitive players seeking to elevate their game. Number 2. This pickleball paddle set offers a USAPA-approved solution for players of all skill levels, combining quality and convenience in a complete package. The set includes pickleball paddles with a fiberglass surface, offering a lightweight yet durable build that balances power and control for versatile gameplay. Fiberglass provides a soft touch, enhancing shot precision and spin potential, making it ideal for both casual and competitive play. The paddles are equipped with a polymer honeycomb core, which absorbs impact and reduces vibrations, delivering consistent performance and comfortable handling. This core design makes the paddles forgiving and user-friendly, especially for beginners, while still catering to the needs of intermediate players. Each paddle features an ergonomic, sweat-resistant grip for maximum comfort, allowing players to maintain control and play for extended periods without hand fatigue. The set is designed for both men and women, offering a unisex option suitable for a wide range of players. Typically, the set includes multiple paddles, pickleballs, and a convenient carry bag, making it perfect for families or group games. The pickleballs are designed for durability and provide a consistent bounce, suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. This pickleball set is an excellent value, combining performance and affordability. It's ideal for beginners looking to start playing, as well as experienced players who want a reliable, ready-to-go setup for recreational or competitive games. In summary, this pickleball paddle set includes USAPA-approved paddles with a fiberglass surface, a polymer honeycomb core for balanced performance, and ergonomic grips for comfort. With additional pickleballs and a carry bag, it's a versatile and high-quality set for men and women at any skill level. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a comprehensive set designed for serious pickleball players looking for high-quality equipment. The bundle includes 2 graphite paddles, 3 pickleballs, and a convenient carry bag, making it a complete solution for both casual and competitive play. The paddles in this bundle feature a G4 graphite face, which offers a lightweight yet durable surface. The graphite material provides excellent responsiveness and a soft feel, enhancing shot accuracy and spin potential. This makes the paddles ideal for players who rely on quick reflexes and strategic shot placement. The G4 graphite face also ensures durability, making these paddles resistant to scratches and wear, even after extensive use. Underneath the graphite face, the paddles are constructed with a polymer RevCore. This core technology balances power and control, providing consistent performance across various play styles. The RevCore core absorbs vibrations for a comfortable feel, reducing the impact on the player's arm during play. This feature is especially beneficial for players looking to minimize fatigue during long matches. The bundle also includes 3 durable pickleballs designed for both indoor and outdoor play, ensuring consistent bounce and flight. The set's inclusion of pickleballs allows players to get started immediately without needing additional accessories. The carry bag provides convenient storage and portability, making it easy to transport the paddles and balls to the court. In summary, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a well-rounded package with high-quality equipment for pickleball enthusiasts. The combination of a graphite face, polymer core, and ergonomic design delivers superior performance, comfort, and durability. With the inclusion of everything needed for play: 2 paddles, 3 balls, and a carry bag, this bundle is a great choice for players at any skill level looking to enhance their pickleball experience. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddles are designed to offer superior performance and comfort for players at all skill levels. These paddles feature a graphite carbon fiber surface, providing a lightweight yet durable construction that enhances both power and control on the court. The graphite material is known for its ability to increase spin and shot accuracy, making it ideal for players who rely on precision in their gameplay. The core of the Mod Z5 is made from a polymer honeycomb material, which offers excellent shock absorption and vibration dampening. This core structure not only enhances the paddle's durability but also ensures a consistent feel during play, reducing player fatigue and enhancing comfort. The combination of the graphite face and polymer core creates a paddle that is both powerful and forgiving, allowing players to generate quick reactions and maintain control over the ball. One of the standout features of the Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, which adds a layer of comfort and reduces hand fatigue during extended play sessions. The grip is sweat-resistant, providing a secure hold that enhances the player's ability to execute precise shots without slipping. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who play frequently, as it helps maintain a comfortable grip throughout long matches. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is versatile, suitable for both recreational and competitive play. It caters to a wide range of players, from beginners looking for a reliable paddle to seasoned players seeking a balance of power and control. Its lightweight design and ergonomic features make it easy to handle, while the durability ensures that it can withstand the rigors of frequent play. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddles offer a winning combination of a graphite carbon fiber surface, polymer honeycomb core, and a cushion comfort grip. These features make the paddles a versatile, high-performance choice for players looking to improve their game with a paddle that delivers both power and comfort. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddles offer a well-rounded and affordable solution for players of all skill levels. These paddles are designed with a reinforced fiberglass surface, which provides a durable and responsive hitting surface. The fiberglass material enhances shot accuracy and spin, making it ideal for players who value control and finesse in their game. It offers a soft touch that helps generate better ball placement and spin, making it suitable for both beginners and intermediate players looking to refine their skills. Underneath the fiberglass surface, the honeycomb polypropylene core plays a crucial role in enhancing the paddle's performance. This core structure offers excellent shock absorption and vibration dampening, reducing the risk of hand fatigue during extended play. It also ensures consistent shot performance across the paddle's surface, regardless of where the ball contacts the paddle. The combination of a fiberglass face and a honeycomb core provides a balanced feel, offering a good mix of power and control for players who need versatility in their game. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddles are ergonomically designed with a comfortable grip that reduces strain and fatigue. The grip is sweat-resistant, allowing players to maintain a firm hold during long matches without slipping. This feature is particularly beneficial for players who play in hot or humid conditions. The paddles are USAPA-approved, making them suitable for competitive play, and are built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. The bundle typically includes 2 paddles, making it ideal for couples or small groups who want to play together. The set is also lightweight and easy to transport, thanks to its compact design and included carry bag. In summary, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddles offer a durable, responsive, and versatile option for players at any skill level. With a reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and comfortable grip, these paddles deliver a balanced performance suitable for both recreational and competitive play. The inclusion of a carry bag and multiple paddles makes this set a great value for players looking to enjoy pickleball in groups or with a partner.